How to log in Viki app on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure to download the application on your device and then tap on open to get into the application. Now as you tap on the application, it will lead you to the home page of the application on your device. Now just wait until it lands you to the home page. So here you can see the option of sign up for free and login. Now just tap on login and here you can continue with email, with Google, Facebook or Rakuten. Here I'm going to go with continue with Google and then I'm going to select account that I want to associate with this application over here. As I tap on the Gmail or the email ID over here, you just have to wait for a while and make sure that you are at least 18 years old and above the age of majority in the home territory and agree to Viki's terms of use and privacy policy. Now just wait until it lands you to the next page in order to log into the Viki app. And there you go, you have successfully logged into Viki app. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.